Hey guys, what's happening? How to make real money on Monopoly Go 2025. Want to turn your Monopoly Go addiction into actual cash? Here is how you could do it in 2025. First of all, sell stickers in event rewards. Players need rare stickers to complete albums. Trade them for PayPal or gift cards on FB groups and Discord servers. Next, what you're gonna do, join giveaways and tournament, right? You can see right at the top right, there is a tournament to like for a bank heist. Many streamers and communities host events with real cash prizes. Stay active and participate. Okay. Next, account flipping. Grind a high level account with tons of dice and rare items, then sell it. Just be careful with TOS, right? Next, refer and earn, and oftentimes you can find it at the settings gear at the top right, like in the three bars at the top right. Excuse me, right? And then you're gonna be able to share share your own experience and let other people, if Monopoly Go gave you a referral link, some offers and referral programs pay you in gift cards or even cash for beginning new players. Lastly, content creation. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and or even Fiverr gigs for coaching can bring and add revenue and sponsorship. Pro tip, focus on limited time events and exclusive stickers that are worth the most. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.